Hello and welcome to another video. I am so glad you are joining me today. I am so excited that I have another order from Beebeecraft. I love Beebeecraft. Their website has so many great crafting things, from jewelry making to scrapbooking, card making. I mean, just all kinds of great supplies on their website. They also have a great YouTube program, and you only need 100 subscribers to join their YouTube program. I will put a link to it below. And their YouTube program is you get to choose $40 of items from their website, and you make 3 videos. You make an unboxing videos and 2 tutorial videos. And this is the unboxing video for this order. This is like my 7th order from them. I absolutely love them. I will put the links and everything in the description box below. I do want to mention they also have free shipping on $25. I need to contact them to clarify my coupon code, and I will put that in the description box below as well. So I want to show you what I got from them, and I'm really excited. This is a pack of adhesive paper. I believe these are just really large sheets of double-sided adhesive. At least that's what I thought they were from the description. So yeah, we have a sticky side here, and I bet the other side peels off. Yeah, so the other side peels off, so you're left with just this big sheet of double-sided adhesive. And I thought this would be nice to use to cover like composition books and different things like that, where you need a big piece of adhesive. And how many are in here? 18 sheets. And these measure about 8.5 by 11, almost 12. So these are really good size sheets. I did want to mention that this pack of double-sided adhesive was $8.99 for the whole pack. Then I have this pack of adhesive velvet sheets, and it is a whole bunch of colors. They are a little worse for the wear as far as being bent up, so I probably won't be able to use some of the edges of them, but most of them are very nice. We have all of these different colors. And this package was $10.99. It was a promotional price, so maybe that is why, because they were a bit bent up. There are a whole bunch of colors, and I thought these would be nice to cover composition books with as well, and then I could put embellishments on top of them. Either that or use them for card backing. But I would not suggest them if the edges are curled like that, as far as if you need the whole piece. If you only need a smaller piece, I guess it's not that bad. We'll make the best of it. I think I will put them under a big heavy book to see if I can get them to flatten out. That blue is beautiful. I don't know if you can appreciate these colors on the screen, but these are really pretty. And that red would be great on a Christmas card. And they do have an adhesive backing on the back. Let me peel a piece up just to see how sticky it is. Yeah, and they are very sticky, so that is good. These are called jewelry box liners. And I think they had several different packs to choose from, a couple different assortments of colors. Now, their prices do change from time to time, so please don't quote me on a price. If it was that price when I purchased it, it could have changed, but it could be either more or less at this time. So there we go. And that is a lot. Even for the $10, you get a whole bunch. As you can see, that is a big, big stack of them. I'm excited to play around with those. And then I ordered these chains, or I think this is just one chain, for jewelry making. This is a nickel-free chain because I know there are a lot of people that are allergic to nickel. So I was able to find this really pretty silver color chain that is nickel-free. And I thought it was dainty enough to make some pretty necklaces with. And there is 5 yards of this chain. And I thought that would be enough to make quite a few necklaces. And I will put the links to everything below so you can get the exact size and everything. And then I ordered a set of stainless steel earring backs, because again, they are nickel free and wouldn't cause any allergies. I can't wear earrings that contain nickel. They do irritate my ears. So I usually end up getting either sterling silver, gold, or stainless steel. So I got these that are stainless steel, and these are just the earring hooks. They come in this cute little box and a cute little bag. And they are just the fish hook earrings. There are 50 of them in this pack, and they were only $4.59. So I thought that was a good deal for stainless steel earring hooks. And then last but not least, I got something that is so cool. Look at this box. I'm so excited about these. It's making it hard for me to open it. Here we go. We have these gorgeous butterfly charms or pendants. Let's see, we have these different colors. I'm not sure how many of each color there are. I think there are these 6 different designs, maybe 7. There are these 8 different colors. The purple, the green and red, this green and blue, this one here with yellow and pink, and that blue one, the pink, that white and gold one, and then this one is blue. They're so pretty. And they are like resin. They're not really too thick. They would probably be okay on a card or a project. They would also, they're a good size for earrings. They're really, really pretty. And there's the back. It's just like a white plastic. And then there's, you know, the front. They're so pretty. And in this set are also these leaves. Now they are much bigger. and there is a hole in the leaf up at that end. So we have probably the same color scheme. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. But we have all of these beautiful colors. I love this. This set is so pretty. This one reminds me of a peacock, of course. But you can see all these beautiful colors. I just want to make sure I have at least one of each of the colors out to show you. And this is a huge box. You can see it's jam-packed full of these beautiful leaves and these beautiful butterflies. This is a 64-piece set, and it was only $10.99 for all of these beautiful butterflies and leaves. Now, I guess you could probably even use these as feathers. They look pretty close to what a feather would be, but I think they're really leaves would be my guess. They are so pretty. I love them, and I love the butterflies. I have some great ideas for these already. And they come in this really nice reclosable box that you could store them in. So pretty. I love these so much. They're so much prettier in person than I thought they would be. I love them. All of these bright colors. This one here with the red and the purple. And then, of course, this one is all purple. And I believe they all have a coordinating butterfly. So that is really cool. I love them. These are so awesome. I'm so excited. So you'll probably see these come along with the earrings and the chains, if you can imagine such a thing. And they will probably show up on cards as well in the future. I love this. This double-sided adhesive is going to be put to good use, and so will all of these beautiful adhesive sheets of velvet. These are going to be so much fun to play with. I don't have anything quite like that in my stash. This is very exciting. I hope you have enjoyed this Beebeecraft haul. I will put all of the links in the description box below. And if you want to see the projects that I make with all of these goodies, please click on the bell down there underneath that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, because I don't think you're going to want to miss this. These are pretty awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.